Hey, it's Jim. This quick video will show you around my custom GPT Spark formulator. As you know, I love making AI software, but it's not for everyone, and there is another way to profit from AI without making software. Lots of people are profiting from something called custom GPTs in every niche imaginable. So a custom GPT is just a specialized version of ChatGPT that's built for a specific task. Lots of people sell access to their custom GPTs. You could also use them as a bonus for affiliate promotions and lots of other uses. So anyway, I figured I'd create a new AI formulator that you can use to get custom GPT ideas, no matter how you plan to monetize them. So, and I'll even show you how to monetize them as well. So here's how it works. You simply log in right here. And if you have any of my AI formulators, you'll be familiar with this format. You click on New Project, and then you just name your project. So let's do one for something in the internet marketing niche. So we'll call this IM Ideas project name. We can add a category if we want to, but we don't need to. So our niche is going to be internet marketing. And then you always want to choose a sub niche. So let's go with email marketing. And then you can choose an audience. I like to put in solopreneurs. And then that's it. There's nothing else really to do with this AI formulator. You come down, you click on generate, and then it's going to take all that information and it's going to give you 5 great ideas for custom GPTs in this niche and sub niche to target this particular audience. So this takes a little while. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes, and when it's done, we'll go through the results real quick and see what we have. Okay, so here we go. Idea number 1: email subject line genius. I like that. Top problems of this audience and niche and sub-niche are low open rates, difficulty in brainstorming engaging subject lines, uncertainty about what resonates with their audience. The top desired outcomes are improved open rates and time saved. So we'll come down what this custom GPT does, and it tells you exactly what it does by crafting compelling subject lines, who it's for, it gives you the problem that it solves, the core features, exactly how it works, why it will work, and then monetization angles. In this particular one, it can be monetized as a subscription or a one-time purchase, or offered as a lead magnet, and or as an upsell. So that's one idea. Let's look at another one: email marketing workflow wizard. So this one takes another aspect of email marketing, and that's the confusion over workflows. So workflows are basically follow-up sequences. So this would be a custom GPT that would help people with that. Another one would be funnel copy coach. Interesting. And we scroll down. Here's number 4, email content calendar creator. I like that one. And it basically gives you all of this same information in each one of the ideas. And idea number 5, engagement analyzer for email campaigns. Now, we have lots of great ideas that we can plug into our custom GPT building process, which I'll get into in a minute. So we can export these ideas as a document file, a text file, a PDF, or HTML to save it, or we can simply just come up and we can save this, and it will be saved right here. Let's go over to manage projects, and as you can see here it is. We can go back in anytime and get that information. So let's start a new project just so I can show you how this works so well in lots of different niches. Let's go in and let's do something in the golf niche. I'm a big golfer. Golf GPT ideas, we'll call this. And target audience for this, let's say seniors. I'm getting pretty close to that. Let's say the niche is going to be golf. And for a sub niche, let's put in something like Spring Fitness, and see if we can come up with some ideas for senior golfers to get back in shape. I certainly need to do that with spring coming. And these custom GPTs, they can be accessed on your computer or even on your phone. So if you're giving access to your custom GPT, people can access them on their phones. They could take this app on course and on the golf course, and they could do the exercises there. We could do one instead of Spring Fitness. We could enter something like playing well under pressure or mental fitness during the course, and they could actually get these tips while they're on the course by accessing your custom GPT. So here we go. Let's see what we got for ideas. We got senior swing coach. I like that. Top problems of the audience. Seniors have decreased flexibility and strength. Lack of personalized fitness guidance. That's true. I'm starting to find that stuff myself. Tells you what the custom GPT would do. Senior swing coach provides tailored fitness routines and swing tips specifically designed for seniors. I like that. I might have to make something like this. For seniors age 65 and older, it tells you the features, how it works, why it will work, and even the monetization angle. And then you can get the golf game analyzer, where it will basically ask you questions, you answer, and it will analyze your game. Senior golf nutrition guide, I like that. So we'll keep going down, see what else we have. Another idea would be a virtual warm-up assistant. Now that would be one I would take on the course with me. I could access that on my phone and get all my proper stretches in. And then here's another one, senior golf community connector. Nice idea. Find it challenging to connect and engage with fellow golf enthusiasts. Like that. How would that work? Let's see. Users create a profile indicating their golf level and availability, and browse and connect with others in their area. I like that. It's great ideas. So I think I'll save this one. I'm going to export this as a PDF, and I might just have to create that. So when this does not create custom GPTs for you. It creates ideas for custom GPTs. If you look below this video, you'll find a button to a workshop from a colleague of mine who creates custom GPTs for a living, and she teaches other people how to do it. So she has a special deal going on where you click that button and you can go to either the live workshop if you get in quick enough, or if you're viewing this after the live workshop, you can access a recording, and you'll also get access to this custom GPT Spark Formulator instantly as my special bonus. So if you're looking for a great way to create income using AI, but you don't want to create software, custom GPTs are a great option. They're fun to create, and it's something you should definitely look into. Have fun.